is up, guys? So today we are going to be unboxing King Kong versus Godzilla. King Kong, the Arctic Kong. As you can see, it says Arctic Kong. And then we have a Battle Roar Godzilla. So that's pretty cool. I'm gonna unbox Kong first. I'm gonna unbox King Kong first. Get in there. Okay, boom. Should we get him out? Yes, we got Kong. We got Kong, but we still ain't done. We still gotta get the battle piece out. It's gonna be so hard. Okay, got the battle damage piece. Oh, we can just take this out. Huh? Then we got a whole entire plane, dude. Please say Kong can hold the plane. Kong, hold the plane. He can now Kong can smack Godzilla with a plane. With a literal full-blown plane. It's gonna be easy. Yeah, Godzilla's huge, but your plane's also pretty big. So this is the Kong with the giant plane. Carried him. Along with a lot of other ones. Then we gotta do. Dude, this is so hard. This is so hard, dude. This is. There we go. Is that all Godzilla? Oh yeah. We got some articulation. I mean, this may be my go-to Godzilla. We got the huge tail. My goodness, look at the tail. Look at the size of this tail. That one, no. It's gonna take a while. Yeah. My goodness, this is so hard. Dude, is that even in? Oh my goodness, I think I actually got it in. Oh yes, queen. I finally got it in. Give me the up. Winner. Well, that's it for this video. Broski out.